Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can hide your app's name in your iOS 18. So guys, hiding name is a new iOS 18 update. So if you have not updated your iOS device to the latest update, then you may not get this feature. So first of all, we just need to go to the home screen and edit home screen. Now look at the top left corner where you can see the edit option, and just go ahead and tap there. And once you tap there, you'll see many more options. We just need to go ahead and tap on customize over here. And now after you tap there, you'll see even more options. You'll see the option of small and large. So guys, once you pick the size large, you'll notice that the app's name are automatically hidden. So guys, there you go. In order to hide your app's name, you just need to make sure that you have turned on the large option. So guys, that's how you hide names in your iOS 18 device. Hope this video was helpful for you.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.